phone's blowing
Oh
up.
my god, he's recording himself again.
Dude, this needs to be YouTube, okay? Okay? Someday I'm gonna be a teacher.
Look, the phone doesn't even want to watch me do it anymore. The phone turned the other way. Look, I'm serious.
Oh no!
The phone doesn't even want to watch it anymore.
Well, who's gonna win this fight? You or me?
And the phone is gonna win.
You think so?
Yep.
I hope not.
Am I dreaming of it, or did we have this in a fifth one of these?
Yeah, there's a pile. There's a couple more fixtures. Brian took out the best ones that he could find right now.
Yeah.
And I think your wife said something about trying to get the other ones fixed. I don't know, I'm not sure, but
Oh,
she said we're gonna.
she's the one that's collected them so far.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a pile I think over down the basement or something.
I see.
Yeah.
No, I was just curious.
Yeah, I have no problem with putting them up. We just need to go ahead.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, now there's another one down here, right?
Yes, there's I think there's one in the kitchen wall.
Mm-hmm.
That's one zone. The other zone's
I know. There's
the
one
other zone's
upstairs.
in the living room. Yes.
There's one upstairs that's digital. I don't know if we're switching that.
The digital one's the electric heat bud. I think,
No,
right?
no.
The breezeway.
That one is you know the mirroring like on top of that upstairs.
Yep.
There
That's
it is.
digital already.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's not one like this.
It's not one like that. So, do you think we should make them all the same?
Over there now, so 57.
I don't want to change. I don't want to change one.
Oh my god, he is recording himself. People, take note. His nose is doing all the job. If he looks down, that's what he's touching.
Trying to teach everybody something, buddy. Okay, so we're gonna bring this to the press. Okay. All right, so. So we'll do is made a custom point. I didn't need to see the hole.